Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Knowledge World. Today we are going to tackle one of the most basic but essential skill in Excel, summing up number series with a simple formula. Whether you are working with the list of numbers or a list with a pattern, Excel has your back. Let's dive right in. First question arises, what is number series? The first thing first, what exactly is a number? A number series is a simple as sequence of numbers that follow a specific pattern. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even more complex 5, 10, 15, 20, where each number increases by a certain amount. Now let's practice in an Excel format. So here are the number in the series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, and in the column, in second column, that is 1 to 10. So here is the difference between, in first column A we have used the formula of A1 plus 1 and then we drop down this below, and in the second point we have select the same 1 and second, the top two row, and drop down the below, and let's move on. But there is the difference. If we are remove the row of 4 and 5, then the whole sequence will be changed, but in the second column it is not updated. So if you want to add some number and fill up this blank rows, you can select upper one row and second one row and drop down to the 6A. Then you see this is updated and we have not to pull out to the end. But in the second column we have to pick up both and we have to drop in B6, so it will be updated, but it is not updated till the end. If we suppose we are writing that 9, 10, 11 and so on, and again we are doing to delete the row of 6A, A6 and A7 and B6, B7, and if we select A5 and drop to the A8, it will be updated automatically. But when we select B5 and drop to B8, it will not be updated. So here is the error which will be fine. So we have to use the formula of sum and solve out the problem for the Excel. I hope this video is helpful for you. Give a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Drop the question in the comment box. I will love to hear how you use the Excel in your work or a personal project. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.